Good morning, everyone. It's so great to see folks back again today at Evergreen Brick Works. Welcome. It'll be another day of amazing sessions as well as walks and workshops, and of course, moments of connection and inspiration and reflection. It is beautiful out there, so please do find your moments to go and explore, find a quiet place, find a place to connect with others.
I really love the hospitality. It's kind of unique for a conference.
I mean, it's my first time attending this year, and I think it's been just a nice opportunity to connect with people. I would describe it as a space where like-minded people get together, a great place to get information. I think there's a lot of energy in the room. It's really fun to be with other people who are excited about public spaces.
Is minds that are coming together to figure out how we can create our spaces to be more inclusive and better for humanity.
You know, the fact that some of the conversations are walking towards that the Playmaker Station is like a tactile place. I made some seed balls earlier. That to me like helps you kind of live into the ideas.
Come here and learn about the Brickworks for one thing, learn about Evergreen for another, and learn about what's going on in city building. Because city building in the modern way is all about social connection, and we need it badly. That's what you'll discover if you come here.
By far the best conference that I attended this year. I just think the mix of, the speakers here have been phenomenal. The event itself has been super well organized, and I genuinely feel energized about what's next.